Join me as I take on the challenge of making money on YouTube fast and easy. Let's see if I can actually pull it off. There are, however, some common misconceptions about making money on YouTube. One of the biggest is that you need millions of subscribers to earn a decent income. Many people believe that without a massive following, it's impossible to make any significant money on the platform. While having a large following definitely helps, it's not the only factor. In fact, there are numerous YouTubers with modest subscriber counts who are making a comfortable living. Another misconception is that you need to produce super high-quality content with expensive equipment. Many aspiring YouTubers think they need the latest cameras, lighting, and editing software to succeed. Again, this isn't entirely true. Some of the most popular YouTubers started with just a smartphone and a simple editing app. It's more about the content and how you engage with your audience. Many people also think that making money on YouTube is a quick fix, that you can just upload a few videos and start raking in the dough. They imagine instant success and viral fame. Unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. The reality is that building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and patience. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You'll need to consistently create and upload content, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your skills. It's a long-term commitment that requires dedication. Then, there are those who believe that YouTube's algorithm is against them, that it's impossible to stand out in a crowded space. They feel like the platform is rigged against smaller creators. But what if I told you that these challenges can be overcome? With the right strategy and mindset, you can navigate the algorithm and find your niche. That with the right strategy and mindset, you can start earning a decent income on YouTube, even if you're just starting out. It's all about understanding the platform and leveraging its features to your advantage. So let's talk about the different methods for making money on YouTube. There are several ways to monetize your content, and it's important to explore all your options. The most obvious one is ad revenue. This is where YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn money based on the number of views and clicks those ads receive. If you've enabled monetization on your channel, you'll earn money from ads displayed before, during, and after your videos. This can be a steady source of income if you have a consistent viewership. Another popular method is through sponsorships. Brands are always looking for influencers to promote their products, and YouTube is a great platform for this. Brands partner with popular YouTubers to promote their products or services in their content. This can be a lucrative arrangement, especially if you have a loyal and engaged audience. Affiliate marketing is another lucrative option. This involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. You promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. It's a great way to earn passive income. You can also sell your own products or merchandise, a great way to diversify your income streams. This could be anything from branded clothing to digital products like ebooks or courses. And finally, YouTube Premium revenue is another way to earn money, although this is only available to channels with at least 1,000 subscribers. This allows you to earn a share of the subscription fee from YouTube Premium members who watch your content. Here's a key strategy that can significantly boost your earnings on YouTube, focusing on a specific niche. This approach allows you to carve out a unique space for yourself in the vast YouTube ecosystem, making it easier for your target audience to find and connect with your content. By targeting a specific audience with content they're desperate for, you increase your chances of attracting engaged viewers who are more likely to click on ads, buy from affiliate links, or purchase your products. This not only boosts your viewership, but also enhances the quality of engagement, leading to higher retention rates and more loyal subscribers. Let me share a success story to illustrate this point. I know a YouTuber who focused on vegan recipes and ended up earning a 5-figure income in just a few months. She started with simple, easy-to-follow recipes that catered to beginners and gradually introduced more complex dishes as her audience grew. Her secret? She created content that resonated deeply with her audience, and as a result, her videos got millions of views, generating a significant amount of ad revenue. She paid close attention to her audience's feedback and continuously improved her content based on their preferences. She also partnered with vegan-friendly brands to promote their products, adding to her earnings. These collaborations not only provided her with additional income, but also helped her build a strong network within the vegan community, further boosting her channel's credibility and reach. Another key tip is to optimize your videos for maximum ad revenue. This includes using attention-grabbing thumbnails, writing clickbait titles, and using relevant keywords in your tags and descriptions. These elements are crucial for improving your video's visibility and click-through rate, which directly impacts your earnings. You can also increase your earnings by promoting your products or services at the end of your videos, using cards or end screens to drive traffic to your website or landing page. This strategy not only helps in monetizing your content, but also in building a loyal customer base for your business. In conclusion, making money on YouTube is achievable, but it does require effort, patience, and the right strategy. By focusing on a specific niche, creating engaging content, and optimizing your videos for maximum ad revenue, you can significantly boost your earnings. Remember, consistency is key. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of YouTube, and success will follow. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate your support and engagement. I'd love to hear about your own experiences with YouTube monetization in the comments below. Your feedback and stories help build a stronger community. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips on making money on YouTube. There's always something new to learn and share.